Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Phantomwise Tarot, a 78 card deck and guidebook by Erin Morgenstern from the author of The Night Circus. Look at this packaging. It's so pretty. So this is a deck many of you have wanted me to take a look at for some time now, so I'm excited to finally bring it to you. This is published by Clarkson Potter Publishers, an imprint of Penguin Random House. These are the publishers that brought you the Tarot of the Divine. So I'm excited about that. It retails for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social medias as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, so let's get into it. Welcome to a nocturnal fantasia where nothing is as it seems. The images in this black and white dreamscape exist now and then and out of time completely, somewhere between asleep and awake. The hand-painted characters and creatures who inhabit this circusy wonderland serve as symbols, illustrating moments and mysteries encountered on life's journey. The enclosed guidebook will light your way, but you must trust your intuition as you travel the path of the Phantomwise Tarot. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so it opens up like a flip. There we go. Oh, oh, nice. Oh, it does have a ribbon. It just wasn't fully extended. All right, there we go. Okay, so let's take a quick peek at the guidebook here. Okay, so these 78 cards can be shuffled and drawn to create different interludes that may provide insight and clarity or new perspectives. The meanings presented here are merely guideposts, lantern lights to dimly illuminate the way. They may be heeded or ignored, for each journey throughout this space will be unique, and each image and symbol and teacup found here is for interpretation. Travelers will find their way through each card and each reading on their own individual paths. There is no wrong way to read the cards. These are dreamscapes filled with ideas and possibilities waiting to unfold. All right, so we have a dream child spread here. Celestial navigation spread, down the rabbit hole spread. Oh, that's fun. And then it goes into the cards and their meanings. Okay, so let's get a little bit closer here and do the flip through. All right, yes. Okay, so the cards, as you hopefully can see here, are textured. They're like that linen style. They're a nice cardstock. So this is just like if you have seen the Tarot of the Divine, it feels just like those cards. I'm really excited. Okay, so there's the back and it is gorgeous. Loving the vibes here already. And let's go. It is a matte. How fun. You can totally tell these were hand painted. I really like the vibe. Oh, there's a lot of detail too. Cute. I am a sucker for these stockings, the black and white striped kind. I think I have about 3 pair. Gone through a lot. interesting Chariot. So far, I really like it. I think it's fun. I like that it's black and white. It's a black and white deck that you can see the detail. It's not too harsh on the eyes. That's fun. It's creative. Oh, you know, I kind of like this. That's interesting. Can't see death's face. Oh, she's pouring from a teacup. Love it. Ooh. Oh, a sleepy baby. Yeah, you still see all of the detail. You still understand the symbols in the card imagery. I don't have a problem with it so far. All right. Now we have the minors. I like it. Cute. Oh my gosh. Is that just not so cheeky? Love it. Ooh. I don't know if you can see if the camera's going to pick it up, but there is some browns and tans in this as well. It makes really good for like the depth of the artwork too. I'm enjoying this. Oh my gosh, that is just so cute. Precious. Oh my gosh. I didn't really know what to expect with this deck, but I am happy that I went in with no expectations. That's really cool. I like the way these cards feel. I like the linen texture. Looks almost like a pirate. Maybe it is. Oh. Interesting creatures that they're writing on the knights. Okay, and pentacles. Oh, stop. That's too cute. I love a deck that can put a smile on my face. Sometimes you just need those. Oh, she's fancy. Love it. So stinking cute. All right, so let's see how it shuffles. Yes. Flexible, but snaps back. Yes, like it. I like that sound too. All right, can I get a card to read, please? All right, so we're going to read for the world. Okay. A familiar figure who is now more than a child stands holding the tree of the world in their hands. A rabbit has been found, mysteries have been unraveled, and stories have reached their conclusions. They stand accomplished and triumphant, ready and waiting for new adventures to begin. This is the completion of a cycle, a time of having the world at your fingertips, the universe whole and harmonious with ever-expanding horizons. Oh, I like it. Okay, and then we have a little blurb before the suit here. So for the Suit of Wands, for example, the realm of fire, things that may be encountered in this realm, inspirations, ignited passions, volatile energy, tools for manifestation, creativity, and curious cats. Oh, that's awesome. So it's like that with all of the suits. Really enjoy that. Very simple and to the point. I love that there's a multitude of spreads in here. I think it is so fun, so cute. There's really nothing that I have to complain about in here. I think it's very fun. It does have more of a Alice in Wonderland vibe than a circusy vibe. But I mean, I don't really know if that's like a critique because again, I really didn't have any expectations going into it. I think it's fun. I think there's a lot here that can be utilized for any level that you think you're at. So if you think you're a beginner, I still find this deck accessible for you. I think it's great for those collectors out there that want a fun and cheeky deck. I think this is a great black and white style deck because you can easily see the imagery in the cards and it doesn't hurt your eyes. I think it's fun. I think it's great. The price point is great. I love the type of the cards, the cardstock it is, the linen and the flexibility of it and the size. I have no complaints. So now with all of that being said, I would love to know your thoughts on this deck. Do you own it? How do you like it? If you don't own it, let me know your thoughts too. Do you like it or is this a hard pass for you? Let me know all your thoughts down in the comment section below. I enjoy reading them. They're very fun and insightful. And with that being said, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it really helps me and the channel out getting into the algorithm. So thanks again for all of that, and have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.